Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and remove all doubt. Sit with that for a moment, because silence is one of the most misunderstood forms of power. Some people stay silent and feel weak. Others stay silent and command respect without saying a word. So what is the difference? Why does silence make one person invisible and make another person unshakable? Here is the truth, spoken calmly, like someone who has watched human nature long enough to see the pattern clearly. Silence is only power when it is chosen, not when it is forced. And today, you will understand the rule that separates weak silence from powerful silence. Let me ask you something. When you stay silent, is it because you are calm, or because you are afraid? Is it because you are in control, or because you don't know what to say? Be honest with yourself. Because silence without awareness is not strength. It is suppression. But silence with intention is control. 1. Weak silence comes from fear. Powerful silence comes from control. There are two types of silence: the silence that hides and the silence that observes. The first one is driven by fear. Fear of judgment, fear of conflict, fear of saying the wrong thing. The second one is driven by awareness. I see what is happening, and I choose not to react. People can feel the difference. Even if no words are spoken, energy reveals everything. 2. When you speak less, people reveal more. This is a quiet advantage most people ignore. When you fill every silence, you learn nothing. But when you stay calm and listen, people begin to expose themselves, their intentions, their insecurities, their true character, not because you forced it, but because silence creates space. And in that space, truth appears. 3. Silence protects you from emotional traps. Many situations are designed, without words, to pull a reaction out of you. Someone provokes you. Someone disrespects you. Someone tries to get under your skin. They are not just acting. They are observing, waiting to see how you will respond. And the moment you react emotionally, you lose control. But when you stay silent, calm, steady, aware, you break the pattern, and suddenly, they don't know how to control you anymore. Before I continue, if you don't subscribe now, you may never witness secret like this again. 4. Not every situation deserves your voice. This is a discipline many people lack. They feel the need to respond to everything. Every comment, every opinion, every misunderstanding. But listen carefully. Responding to everything is a sign of inner restlessness. Calm people choose their battles. They understand that not every noise deserves their attention, and in that restraint, there is power. 5. Silence creates mystery, and mystery creates respect. When people can fully predict you, they become comfortable with you. Too comfortable. But when you are not always speaking, not always reacting, there is a level of uncertainty, and that uncertainty makes people pay attention, not out of fear, but out of curiosity. They begin to observe you more closely, because they cannot easily read you, and what cannot be easily read is often respected. 6. Speaking less increases the weight of your words. If you talk all the time, your words become noise. But if you speak only when necessary, your words carry weight. People listen. They pause. They consider what you said, not because you demanded attention, but because you earned it through restraint. 7. Silence gives you time to think, not just react. Most mistakes are not made from lack of intelligence, but from lack of pause. People speak too quickly, react too quickly, decide too quickly, and then regret it later. Silence creates space, and in that space, you think clearly, you respond wisely, you act deliberately. That is not weakness. That is mastery. And if this is opening your eyes right now, pause and subscribe. Because most people will continue talking, reacting, and losing power without realizing it. 8. But here is the rule most people miss. Silence is not about avoiding life. It is not about hiding. It is about choosing when to speak and when not to. Because silence without action is emptiness, and silence without presence is invisibility. The rule is simple, but powerful. Be silent when silence gives you control. Speak when speaking adds value. Nothing more, nothing less. 9. You teach people how to approach you through your silence. If you react to everything, people will keep provoking you. If you respond to every message instantly, people will expect it. But when you are calm, measured, intentional, people adjust. They begin to approach you differently. Speak to you carefully. Respect your space. Because they understand. You are not easily pulled. 10. Final truth. Silence is power when you are not afraid of it. Most people fear silence. They fear the space. They fear the stillness. They fear what it reveals. So they fill it with words, with noise, with reactions. But the one who is comfortable in silence is the one who controls themselves. And the one who controls themselves cannot be easily controlled by others. Take a moment now. Reflect quietly. Where in your life are you speaking too much? Where are you reacting too quickly? Where could silence give you more control? And ask yourself, what would change if you became more calm, more observant, more intentional with your words? If this shifted your perspective, subscribe to Stoic Apex now. This is where you sharpen your mind and take back control of your life. Like this video, share it with someone who needs this truth, and leave your thoughts below. Let me ask you one final question. In your life right now, are you using silence as power, or are you using it to hide?